Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is the Comfort Inn and Suites, downtown Brickell, part of Miami. And this is the review of the king size room that I have. I know there's a lot of reviews online that have a lot of negative reviews, a lot of one-star reviews of what this hotel is. I have booked this hotel a few months ago. Actually, it's been about 6 months ago, and I was kind of contemplating on staying here. But despite popular belief, it's not as bad as what people claim. Now, I know back then they were going through some renovations, and people were saying the rooms were old and outdated, and the elevators were down, and only one elevator was working, and there was a lot of construction going on, a lot of dust and debris, and a lot of noise. Well, I can honestly say, since I checked in, I haven't seen none of that. Well, you can tell by the decor and the walls, they're newly painted, so this is one of the renovated rooms. I'm not sure if all the rooms are completely renovated yet, but I know they had started, I believe they started renovating last year, so hopefully by now they're all renovated. But anywho, you have the regular basic coffee maker. Nothing to brag about, but you know, get you a cup of coffee. Got you a small little 700-watt microwave. Got you a small little dorm-sized fridge, and you can tell it's nice and clean, real clean inside. I like the white and blue. White and blue goes together well. Has a nice little walk-in closet, if you will. I mean, we're only here for one night, so we don't need all the space, but it's nice. You have your typical safe, iron board and hangers and all that good stuff. And you have a little desk here. Next to the desk, you have a flat screen TV, probably 27, 32 inch. Let's see. What do you think, babe? You think they got it? Let's see. Do they got them? Do they got one? Do they got one? Oh, they let me down. Let's see. Oh, they let me down. They ain't got the good old book that most hotels have. They don't got one, but it's all right. I got a nice little chair. You guys know how I do my chair reviews. Let's see how this one looks. Yeah. A little shabby, but not as bad as the rest of them. Nice little footrest there. Part of our luggage we just got in here. We got a nice full-size mirror. Look at yourself. We got the king-size bed, nice king-size bed. Dual lamps. Phone over there, clock over here. Real old school phone over there. Real old school phone. But who's making phone calls these days on phones? We got cell phones. Bathroom's pretty nice. It's basic, but it's nice. You got a mirror, blow dryer, and got everything you need. Toilet, basic sink, and toilet, and shower. Basic shower. So just wanted to show you guys this review. So if you're scared or you're thinking about renting this room, but you're scared because you read all the negative reviews, because trust me, I pondered and I read a lot of them, and it was more negative than good ones. I'm here to tell you that the hotel is not as bad as they say. It's not bad as they say. But one thing that people did point out, you do have to pay for parking. Now you have the option of valet parking, which is $48 for the night. You can come and go as many times as you please. Or they have a parking garage that's across the street, which will charge you, it's $20 for the night, for one night. But you cannot come and go as you please. Every time you come and go, they're gonna charge you again. So just keep that in mind. Because I know a lot of people said something about that, about the parking too. So yes, they do valet park. There is no other option. It's either valet park or park in a garage across the street. There's no street parking right here. From what I was told by the front desk, You will get towed if you park and leave it on the street. So they do have, there's a parking garage across the street. Matter of fact, I'm gonna show you guys real quick. If you pan up there, if you look up there, and there's a parking garage up there, which is like $20. And then they have some parking down here. I don't know what the cost of that parking is down there, but there's some more parking. So just in case you're wondering, yes, you do have to pay for it. So I hope this review helps some people out, and enjoy your stay.